Are you ready for some music that is out of this world? Well, prepare to blast off with the D-Sticker Ensemble.
Stand up straight and tip your hat. Walk out the door and don't look back.
Prepare for the most amazing recordings you've ever heard.
The cat came back without his hat. He lost it when he did the splat.
Listen as this young and vital group explore new regions of the musical universe. The D-Sticker Ensemble has worked diligently to guarantee that the sound of Sticker will absolutely blow your mind.
When I was a child, I was baptized. The devil in me died.
Haunting melodies that will live forever. And ever. Listen to D-Sticker put his true feelings into every song he plays. Soothing instrumentals that you'll always love.
And I just can't help believing when she's lying close beside me. My heart beats with the rhythm of her sigh.
Yes, here is all the magic of the D-Sticker Ensemble.
This time the girl is gonna stay. This time the girl is gonna stay for more than just a day.
Only once in your lifetime comes the magic of truly great music.
I search for tomorrow.
The D-Sticker Ensemble present their brand new album, The Sound of Sticker, with 14 classic recordings. Each song it will take you on the wildest ride of your life.
I gotta say it's a perfect fit. But you were put in charge, and then you went and took advantage of it.
So now, you can enjoy one of the world's most famous and stirringly original bands anytime you want.
And I don't have the patience to learn them all and relate.
These unforgettable songs have touched a whole generation, with hits like 75 Cents.
75 cents. If you got it, it's your money.
Featuring everyone's favorite chanteuse, Shirley.
75 cents. It's not quite a dollar. 75 cents. But it's better than a quarter. 75 cents. It knows not what you're thinking. 75 cents.
Classic recordings of incredible beauty.
And baby, be a southern gentleman.
Every song just makes you feel great.
Leisurely and complete.
The D-Sticker Ensemble has captivated audiences in 42 countries and has already won 4 Gold Record Awards. In fact, this famous band is loved by countless millions. The D-Sticker Ensemble and their brand new record album, The Sound of Sticker. This explosive treasury is a must for your record collection. Filled with compositions like none you've heard before. 14 amazing songs, richly orchestrated to perfection, recorded in high-fidelity stereo.
Rationalizing every win till you have.
So sit back and listen to this exquisite collection of beautiful songs that everyone is sure to enjoy.
You're gonna rise and hunt up.
Sticker, a man who's driven to be above average.
Now it's time to say goodbye. We hope this wasn't a bore. We had to play these songs for you. Hopefully leave you wanting more.
This album is available at an amazingly low price on CD, vinyl, and digital download. When you order the deluxe vinyl package, it includes everything you see here, including a bonus 7-inch mystery disc of music that we can't reveal here. But here's a little hint.
Is that a culmination, locking all your secrets in a dream? Is that a time that's had its way with all the girls on easily?
Here's how to order. Go to www.dstickerensemble.com to order your copy of The Sound of Sticker. Be sure to act now if you want to get the limited edition red vinyl package. Again, go to dstickerensemble.com right now to get The Sound of Sticker. Order yours today.